Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to reset password on Teachable. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in Teachable, and then you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Teachable, if you of course haven't already done that of course. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So here we have the home, users, site, sales, emails, and settings. And here you have your products, so your courses, coaching, etc. And in the top right corner, we have the view your school option. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and reset password on Teachable. So it is pretty simple and you just need to go and follow these few steps. So basically, first of all, you need to go to my.teachable.com. So you need to go to that link, of course. So this will be the link. Then when you're there, you need to go to, of course, the settings button. Here, of course, as you can see your full name, email address, and your password. So change password. And of course, as you can see at the end, you will have the save changes. Please enter your current password. So basically, you need, of course, all of these information, guys, just so you know, are for the sake of this video, and these are not my real information. So you just need to go click on change password, change it, then again, type your password, click save changes, and that will be that. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.